zaba zirisha mukaga zihangwe of Dr. Kizza Besigye, Haji Abed Rutare na Captain Denish Ola baretwa ha kote nkuru muri Kampala okoze mushango eyo kuri munsi yabo rukwe n'endijo. Kotwi atandika kurura ba Prida ba Besigye na bagenzi be bebembire Martha Kaluya na Elias Rukwago bayitombo iterabohorereza ba government okuremwa kubahereza obujuruzo bukuru mushango ogu ecyo batakakoraga na hati n'obucirabe cyashabirwe.
As you have noticed today, our first complaint was the difficulties we face in accessing the court premises. Today, I was harassed as I was entering the court. There was a police officer by the name of Asio. She wanted me to alight from the vehicle outside the gate. And I refused, telling her that all the times I have come here, my vehicle is allowed to drop me on the staircase next to the court where I'm going. So she allowed the car to enter the court premises, and next to the door, she now came again and told me, "You are now inside the court premises, get out." I told her no, I wouldn't get out. I want to be dropped where I'm usually dropped, next to the court, not at the door of the court premises. And she just from nowhere said, "Why are you being difficult? This is not a Kenyan matter."
Bitu babahorereza ba government no bajangwa hagati yo mwaka 2021 ne 2023 abantu aba bashatu na bagenzi babo bakegitiro mu ihanga rya Kenya, Uganda, Switzerland na Greece batenso kuyaho government kandi bine video nebishana n'amaraka gebyona bitu eki ba Prida ba Dr. Kizza Besigye na bagenzi be bashabo bujuruzi bobu bwono kubwetegereza.
Balazinti bo tebanna bakweteka kimala okutuwa obujulizi bwe bagenda okuleeta mu kooti. Mukimanyi bulungi ng'ennaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogwa December omwaka oguwedde era tukijjeyo wano mu kooti. Kooti yabalagira nti obutasukka nga 21 January bateekeddwa okubanga batuwadde buli kyonna kye bagenda okukozesa ng'obujulizi. Baatuwaayo ka fayiro kamu kalimu statements 4, kalimu ne zibayita transcriptions oba ebiwandiiko bye balaga nti bavunula babijja ku butambi obwa video n'obutambi obwa audio obuwulirizibwa. Naye tebatuwa butambi bwonna bwe bateekateeka okuleeta. Amaloboozi ge bagamba ge bateeka mu biwandiiko gali ku butambi. Obutambi obwo tebabutuwa.
Abahona bashaba koti ngo amagaraga Dr. Kizza Besigye ngetengo kujanjabwa.
He is not well. He is weakening. This man is going to be 70 years old. In April, he will turn 70. This whole year in prison, he has been suffering conditions of jail that are harsh. Slowly his health is deteriorating.
Nabwanyuma omuramuzi Emmanuel Baguma yayongezayo mushango ogu okusebiri 12 kwa kasha Dr. Kizza Besigye na bagenzi be bahereza umwaka n'amezi 2 omunkomo gasha kwa Jimmy Mhumza.